Hello, this is going to be a short little video on basic formula method. Let's see if I can't get this. I always struggle with trying to get this box to go away. There it goes. So, basic formula. The formula method used for simple one-step dosage calculations and variation. This is also a variation of the ratio and proportion method. So we typically utilize a formula here where D is going to represent the desired or the dosage that is ordered. This could be in milligrams, grams, and so forth. You're going to take what you have, that will be represented with an H. This is the dosage strength that is available in your pharmacy in milligrams, grams, etc. The quantity, or Q, will designate the milliliters or volume that the dosage strength is available. The dosage strength available is contained in. And X is your unknown, or the volume that the desired dosage will be contained in. So there's your formula. D over H times Q equals X. So they give us an example here that the strength available is 1,000 micrograms per milliliter, and the dose that has been ordered is for 660 micrograms. So we're going to take the desired dose, 660. We're going to plug that into where the D was on that formula. And we're going to take what we have, which is the 1,000 micrograms. We'll plug that in where the H was in our formula. And what I have is per milliliter. So we're going to multiply all of that times 1 ml. So 660 divided by 1,000 times 1 equals 0.66. So that's kind of hard to measure in pharmacy. So we typically, unless we're told otherwise, we're just going to round to the tenths place or one place past the decimal. Therefore, to give a dosage of 660 micrograms, we would need to administer 0.7 milliliters. And the answer must be smaller than the quantity of 1, because 1 is what we had in stock to start with, and we were going for a smaller dosage than what we had, right? So you always want to stop and make sure that your answer kind of makes sense. So then they give us another a knowledge check here, where we have 50 milligram dosages ordered. The strength available is 60 milligrams in 1.5 milliliters. So let me jot these things down, and then I'll turn off the screen share so you can see how I work this out. My dose equals 50 milligrams. What I have equals 60 milligrams. And that quantity that I have, the 60 milligrams, is 1.5 ml, right? So let's look at what's going on here, see if we can't make a little more sense of it. So my formula was D over H times Q, right? So I'm going to take my D, and this example is 50. I'm going to plug it in where the D is. What I have was 60 milligrams, so over 60. And then the quantity that I had is the 1.5 milliliters. So 50 divided by 60 times 1.5. And hopefully you determined that it's going to take 1.249. Is that the way I'm going to leave my answer, though? Am I going to be able to measure that very well? 1.2 is most likely what we're going to administer. So let's check this out and see how we did. Oh, they came out with 1.25. I just stopped mine, right? If we'd have rounded to the tenths, I just stopped one digit earlier than they did. So we're still right there. Our math is correct. And in the realm of pharmacy, your pharmacist will let you know just how far you need to round. It'll become a real regular thing where you